Hello everyone! Welcome to our kitchen once more. Today we're making shrimp curry with tofu and assorted vegetables. I actually call it shrimp curry in a hurry. I'll show you why. I am using 3/4 of a pound of peeled and deveined shrimps. I am also using firm tofu that we are going to cube. For my vegetables, I'm going to use broccoli crowns and a carrot, ginger, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, a medium-sized onion, a long pepper. You could also use pickled jalapeno. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of lime juice, have coconut milk, and the magic sauce. This is actually fish sauce. Fish sauce is very easy to get nowadays in most grocery stores. For the spices, we are going to use green curry, a little bit of turmeric, and probably half a teaspoon of cumin, just to give a little bit of a smoky flavor. This is rather a large piece, so I am just going to use half of this. This by itself is going to be a nice vegetarian dish, but in this case we're adding shrimp to this recipe, but you can always use whatever kind of protein you want. You could add chicken, pork, beef, or even lamb. It's a very versatile dish. So we are adding about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. First, we're adding the onions. Next will be our garlic and ginger. We're adding half of the can of our coconut milk. You should smell this. This smells so good. We are now adding our fish sauce, so we will add a tablespoon and a half for now, and then we will make the adjustment later on. We're going to add our carrots first. If you find that your sauce is getting too thick, you could always add either water or chicken stock. Just a little bit, just to loosen it and it's not too thick. Yum, yum. We're adding our cubed tofu, our lime juice, and our long pepper. I'm also adding a teaspoon of sugar just to balance the flavor. We're adding our broccoli. You can actually choose whatever type of vegetables you want. It's really a very versatile dish. Again, I'm adding a little bit of liquid. And lastly, we will add the shrimp. The shrimp is always last when I cook seafood because I like it medium cooked, or just, enough, cooked enough. Let's taste the sauce. Oh, yum. Well, folks, this is done. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po.